I got 5 gift ideas for the Jeep person in your life for this holiday season. Starting off with number one, it comes in at $29.99, and these are JL OEM hood latches. If you own like a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler, they have the hood latches that are rubber. They have like a rubber band on them basically. And when you're going down the road or the freeway and you're doing like 60, 65, you'll notice your hood kind of does this fluttering action. Super annoying. And to me, it just kind of stressed me out because I was just always thinking that they were going to break and my hood was going to come flying up and smack my window, right? I don't think they would because there is a safety latch in there. So it'd really have to, I mean, it could, it's possible. It definitely just made me nervous. So I said, screw it. I went and I bought these JL hood latches and they have been great. Never had an issue with them and they never come loose. Good to go. So $29.99, some JL OEM hood latches. If your husband or wife has a JK and she still has, we're still rocking those super cheap freaking rubber band factory hood latches, go grab her some of these Jeep JL. They work fantastic, and I've been really happy with them. For 30 bucks, great little stocking stuffer. Up next on the list is coming in at $31.99, and for anybody that owns a Jeep, you know this is a must-have. It is it's a Vgate OBDII fault code reader. You know, if you own a Jeep, you're gonna get a check engine light sooner or later, and save yourself some time. Go buy one of these. They're $32. You download an app, plug this into your OBD2 reader underneath your dash there of your Jeep, and just erase your check engine lights. Check them all out. I've fixed multiple things on my Jeep just having this. And no, my gas cap was left loose, and that's what I thought, anyways, but it actually wasn't. It was something else, and I fixed it. And I could erase my code. I didn't have to go to O'Reilly's or Napa or CarQuest or anywhere. I just did it right here in my driveway. Said and done. If I'm out on the road, I get a check engine light. Boom! I can whip my app out and look up, see what's going on. It's just a very nice. It's just nice to know, why is my check engine light on? Why is this light on? So it helped me a lot. And also, if you put bigger tires on your car, there's all kinds of things you can do. But if you put bigger tires, like I put 35-inch tires on my Jeep, and so there's inside the app, you can go in there and adjust your shift points for the size of tires you have. So it actually shifts at the right RPMs, stuff like that. You can even re-gear it. If you put taller gears or shorter gears in your differentials, you can use the app to actually reset what gears you have in it so your shift points will be right. You can do a ton of stuff. Worth $31.99 all day long. There is a one-time purchase that you have to make. It's like less than 20 bucks on the app to be able to get into it and actually adjust anything. So $31.99 plus another 20, so you're looking like basically 50 bucks, and you can always diagnose your own problems. You don't have to take it to the mechanic or anybody. You can do it all yourself and be good to go. Next on the list, we're still under $50. This comes in at $49.95, and I am not a huge fan of this company, but this product I've been super happy with. They are from a company called Rough Country, and these are front black steel grab handles. And they work on an '07 to '18 Jeep Wrangler. What I like the most about them is they are super stout. I mean, they are thick, solid steel, nice rubber handles on them that don't loosen up or the glue doesn't stop. They're tight. The rubber on the handle are tight. It doesn't feel like they're going to move. They are very stout. I can shake my whole dang Jeep just with one of these handles. Gotta say, putting them together is a little bit finicky and just a little bit of a cluster. But once you get them in there and everything's good to go, they are super stout. They high it up right up here, and you don't even really notice them while you're driving. They're not in your peripheral vision. They don't really mess with you. I actually forget about them until in the morning when I'm getting in my Jeep to go to work. I always grab it and jump in. It just helps me. I got a little bit of a lift on my Jeep, and it helps me out a lot. And it even helps the wife get into as well. So that is number 3 at $49.95. Just some good grab handles. Very simple. You'll use them all the time once you have them, I promise you. Okay, now we're stepping up into the little bit more expensive if you really want to treat that Jeep person in your life. This is coming in at about $140, a little bit less, and it is the Bulletpoint Dash cell phone holder. This is basically called the Ruby grid, and so what it has is it has a grid that sits on top of your dash. It bolts into that little tray up on top of your dash in your Jeep JK, and it bolts into there. And then it has 3 mounting points, one for a cell phone, one for a GoPro, and one for another cell phone. But you have to buy a couple of accessories if you want to mount another cell phone. I have all the links down in my description. Seriously, the best phone mount I have ever used. It works fantastic. I would buy it again in a heartbeat. Definitely go check that out. Link down below. And then last but not least, this is one where if you just have a little extra money and you want to spoil somebody, I would recommend it. And I would probably buy this again. Not probably, I would buy this again. I enjoy having this in my Jeep. And this is the factory Mopar Jeep Wrangler hardtop headliner. So if you have a hardtop in your Jeep, you will know that in the winter and in the summer, that top gets super hot. So I have a black Jeep Wrangler, all gloss black with a gloss black hardtop, and it gets freaking hot. Hot. I actually can feel the heat radiating from the inside of the top of the headliner in my Jeep, and it just makes me sweat, and I crank on that AC as soon as I possibly can. And putting in these headliners from Mopar, it helped. It's not like, oh my God, I jump in my Jeep and it's fantastic. No, and it's still hot. It's still ridiculous, but it just is a little bit enough of a barrier. It might be like that thick. It's not like, oh my gosh, this is fantastic. And you can actually still feel that it is warm, but it's not like scorching hot on the inside. And also it kind of helps with a little bit of the noise, kind of just vibrations from the hardtop. So I think there's multiple purposes for it. And I just enjoy the look of it. Also myself, just looking up, seeing a nice black carpet. You can stick your patches on there if you're into that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I really do like that. And that's the most expensive thing on here. It's $335.90 right now on Amazon. And these might be things that you might want to just throw into your cart. And who knows, maybe when Cyber Monday or Cyber Week comes out, maybe they'll throw a sale on some of these things and you guys can snatch it up. So all the links are down in the description below. Don't forget to go check them out. And remember, they are affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything by clicking on them. It just will take you to that product on Amazon. You can put it in your cart. It will not charge you 1 cent more than what you would buy it for. It's just a way of Amazon saying thank you to me for recommending the product to you guys. That's all it is. And so it's also a good way for you to support me and say, hey, thank you. You're welcome. So anyways, go check it out. My name is Andrew. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you in the next one. See ya.